Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to hide phone number in WhatsApp. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first thing you have to understand is that WhatsApp is a number-based application. It works only because a person has your number. Now, if you're talking about hiding a number on WhatsApp, so if I open up WhatsApp, then go to Settings. As I go to Privacy, I can add my last seen, I can hide my profile photo, I can hide my about or status, or reset it, but I will not be able to hide my phone number. This is because, as I told you earlier, WhatsApp is a number application, so if you want to hide your number, it is not possible. You can add people on WhatsApp only when you have their number. So if you hide your number, you will not be able to add anyone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.